So for us, AI is obviously the future of education.
It's a new thing, it's something that's raising its head more and more.
And I was really looking forward to this session. It's the first introduction I've had to AI.
We've had a couple of meetings in our leadership team about AI and how it can help to save people time and energy, teaching staff predominantly, but also support staff.
Saw the word AI on the agenda and thought, oh my goodness, what's this going to be about?
The training has been really good, really insightful.
It's not an area I've delved into myself, but most definitely going to look into this when I get back to school and show it to the teachers as well.
I think it might be really easy to integrate, in particular in the office when you're writing letters.
I'm going to share this with my head teacher as soon as I get her back, to be honest, because she writes reports all typing when she could literally just be talking and getting it done so much quicker.
Particularly, I was thinking about risk assessments and things like that, where a lot of it's quite generic, but it's writing it in the first place, whereas this would give me a template to be able to do those kind of mundane activities that are still obviously important.
The ChatGPT stuff is going to be such a game changer. I'm already thinking of a million things that I can use it for just to save time.
And I think it could help us in the office with promoting PTFA events, newsletters and things like that.
It's going to save so much time in our nursery. It's going to be amazing.
If anything can help us with our workload, then it's a yes from me.
Most definitely something that I'd be interested in, maybe a presentation to the SLT, if not the school.
I'm already wondering if I can get high impact in to talk to my leadership team.
I'd love my head teacher and teachers to see this.
And what I'd like to do is take that back to the school I'm at now so that teachers could actually benefit themselves.
It's actually been really interactive, it's been a good laugh and I've really enjoyed it.
Oh, the time value is going to be amazing, so thank you.